Comprehensive Guide to German Pronunciation Rules. CH, SCH, PF, EU, I, E. Yellow Circle 1. CH Pronunciation Rules. The pronunciation of CH varies depending on the preceding vowel or consonant. There are three main sounds associated with CHs in German. The guttural chi sound, back of the throat. The palatal C sound, soft hissing sound. The K sound, at the beginning of specific words. Small blue diamond A, guttural chi sound. Pronounced from the back of the throat, similar to the Scottish loch or the Arabic o. Occurs after the vowels a, o, u, ot. Examples:
Buch, Dach, Fuchs, Koch, Lauch, Tauchen, Hoch.
Exception: in some regions, the guttural ch is softened, but standard pronunciation retains the harsh guttural sound. B. Palatal C sound. Produced with the middle of the tongue close to the hard palate. Sounds like the H in the English word huge. Occurs after the vowels E, I, A, O, U, L, N, R, or at the beginning of words. Examples:
Ich, mich, weich, sicher, Milch, lächeln, Chemie.
Exception: in Southern dialects,
Chemie
is sometimes pronounced with a sound, emi. C. K sound. At the beginning of borrowed or foreign words, ch is pronounced like
K.
Examples:
Chor, Chaos, Christus. 2. SCH.
Pronunciation rules. Pronunciation rules.
SCH.
In German is always pronounced as, similar to the English sh in shoe. It is never separated into
SCH.
In pronunciation, key rule:
SCH.
is always pronounced as a single sound, regardless of its position in the word. Examples:
Schule, Schnee, schön, Schlüssel, Fisch, schreiben, Schmerz.
Warnings: common mistake. Avoid pronouncing
SCH as SCH or SCH.
Always treat it as one unit. Yellow Circle 3.
PR.
Pronunciation rules. In German, both P and F are pronounced distinctly, even though they are next to each other. It might feel awkward at first because English doesn't have this combination at the beginning of words. Examples:
Pferd, Pfanne, Apfel, Kopf, Licht, Tropfen.
Warning tip: start slowly by emphasizing the P and F sounds separately, then blend them together. 4. Pronunciation rules.
Both E and EU
are pronounced oi, similar to the English ois in boy. Examples with
Freund, Europa, neu, heute.
Examples with
Häuser, Bäume, träumen.
Warning: common mistake. Avoid pronouncing
EU
as you or
au. 5. I.
Pronunciation rules.
I.
Like I. Like I.
I.
Always sounds like the English word I. Examples: eins,
mein, klein, heiß.
B. Like E. Is always pronounced like EE. Examples:
Liebe, Biene, Spiel, Frieden.